Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Health app, open it and tap Medical ID. This is where first responders read your info. Once done, press Edit to add details. Include full name, DOB, and emergency contacts because accuracy matters. Make sure to enable Show when locked so your ID appears on the lock screen without unlocking the phone. You'll see fields for medical conditions, allergies, medications, and organ donor status. Fill what applies. It speeds treatment and reduces errors. Next, enter your medical details precisely. Type conditions, allergies, and medications with dosages to guide responders, because vague notes can slow care. Once you add blood type and organ donor status, make sure units like milligrams are written out. Clarity prevents dosing mistakes. Then tap Emergency Contacts, choose from contacts, and label relationships so responders know who to call. Remember to update dates and chronic conditions, medical history changes, and keeping it current matters for safety. Finally, tap Done to save your medical ID and test it from the lock screen. Swipe up or press Emergency, then Medical ID to confirm visibility. Once confirmed, make sure emergency contacts receive consent to be contacted. It avoids surprises. If your ID doesn't appear, check that Show when locked is enabled and that Health app has required permissions. Also restart the iPhone and install pending iOS updates. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.